Pops, we're back with part 5, actually, of our first series in Consciousness Expanding Discourse. And we wanted to talk to you for a moment about celestial administration.
Celestial administration. Well, as I spoke earlier about understanding the cosmology of the universe, from I am all the way up to modern man, I like to imply the administrative aspect of it. I see religion and every aspect of human development as evolutionary. I am himself, the single, absolute, only being that can navigate infinity, started this ball in what I call multiplication rock. I am is the only being that is infinite. The sun is eternal, and the spirit, she is eternal also. So when I am speaking about administration, I am speaking about paradise representing the primal universe, the original spirit factory. And from this, the expanding infrastructure, as we have become to know, creating the rest of existence. There are 3 levels of spirit plasma. Paradise, the absolute level, what men know as heaven, the co-administrative level, and the whole mathematical, mechanical universe that we know where all mortal beings exist. The difference between them may be viewed from the concept of nutational frequency. Each one is vibrating a little bit faster than the other, and we are vibrating the slowest in the material, mathematical, mechanical aspect. So celestial administration incorporates the different beings or orders of sonship who operate, govern, and administrate at various descending levels of the Father's plan. It is my understanding and attempt to apply that there are 7 levels of administration extending out from the Father, and there are 7 levels of administration extending up to the Father. You just don't die and be in God's face. We have to be tempered